Alright, so it says the vehicle died on the freeway on the way home from last service recently. Oops. Hopefully we did not service this vehicle. I got my jump box right here just in case. And let's see what's going on here. Okay, so I unlocked it. Nothing. Oops. 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 All right. I don't have anything going on. Okay, I don't. What the heck is going on? All right. So I think I need some tools. I think we just have a dead battery here. I need a tool. Let's see. Oops. All right, I'll be back with the tool. Okay, we got a tool now. Oh. The battery's wet. Let me go grab my jump box really quick. Let's see how much voltage this battery had. All right. Wow, he got 11 volts. So we're not having issue with the battery voltage. Maybe there's a lot of corrosion there. We might gonna go ahead and clean the battery really quick. Okay. Okay. I need to go back and grab more tool. Alright guys, so the engine has been running. I do have a check engine light right there. I did install my VCI and scan it, and I do have P200A intake manifold runner performance bank 1. But if I shut it off, the battery seems to be alright. But I'm still gonna go ahead and test the battery, and let you go ahead and check this code. Alright, so on this vehicle, I replaced a lot of this right here. They are broken. What I'm gonna do now is, oh yeah, I can see it from here. It's broken. There's like a loose piece right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the actuation test under engine, and we're gonna look for, where is it? Oops, the battery is dying. Yeah, we need a battery. We need a battery. Where is that at? Why I don't see it anymore? And here it is, VCM motor. But we need to charge the battery really quick. Okay guys, so the battery is charging right now. I'm connected to the GR8, and I'm getting 13.2 voltage right now, but look at the amp, 1.3, and amp per hour is 0.5. Seems like suspicious right there. But when I cycle the key on, there's nothing happening on the cluster. Try to start it. Nope. So we might have some issue here, or just probably a shorted battery, right? All right, it's the connection. It is the connection, guys. It's the connection. Oh, the battery is also dead. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean everything up here. Okay, so I got hot water here. I'm just gonna soak this guy. There we go. Just gonna soak you. This thing is extremely hot. Then I'm gonna clean this guy too. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Then I got another batch here, which is also hot water. Clean this guy. Okay. Grandpa, how's it going? Just another day.
That guy, Braden, the one Lieutenant Braden. Got the mustache looking.
What about him?
Anyway,
He got Instagram.
Of her?
Yeah.
Who? Mark?
Yeah.
You sent a picture of mine.
So he got Instagram. And then that's Instagram.
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She like,
She
oh,
like,
yeah.
oh, yeah.
It's just someone who's like a little bit. Oh, yeah. Someone that recent.
Oh, I see.
Don't you over.
Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, sure. Right. There we go. So this one is clean. Hopefully that thing will help us. Oops. You gotta line it up. There we go. So if you install this, the alarm will go off. Now, what you're gonna do is, where's the key? Oh, the key's not even there. Cycle the key on, so the alarm will not go off. There we go. Okay. Oops. Okay. It's all clear now. Okay. We're getting 1149. I'm still gonna recommend a battery because I don't like it. 12.6, 12.5, 12.6. Okay, so this vehicle should start. Okay, so we just have a bad connection. The terminal is just dirty, or it needs a battery. Check engine light is on because of that VCU, or is that VCU or VCM? I think it's a VCM. Okay. Let's go ahead and test the battery so we're not guessing. Okay, so let's see if we can able to check the barcode. All right, it's not on the list. It says cold cranking amps is 550. Okay, replace now. So we do have a bad battery, and also the connection. All right. Okay. All right, we got some voltage going on. I'm gonna hook this up. Oops. Where are you? Right there. And I'm gonna talk to the computer. I will print that out later. Okay guys, so I'm all connected. And if I press the start, the VCM should move. Well, it's not moving right now, but I can see a broken pieces in there. Yep, there is a broken pieces there. Yep, it's not doing it. I'm gonna disconnect this connector. Huh, this hose is in the way. Here we go. I got it out. And I'm not looking for schematics right now. Okay. Got power there. Power. 5.1. 1.2. Ground. All right, so this one, no crank, no start, no power. Do you guys see my instrument cluster? I'm on ignition on right now, but I don't have anything going on there. When I open the door, I got a light. Then, oh, look, now I do have something. Because I shut the door. I got problem with the ground here somewhere. Because look, the state of charge is 96%, 12.6 voltage. State of health is 0 though. But yeah. Now I do have something going on. I just slam the door. Classic ground concern right here, guys. We need to find out where is that ground. Okay guys, so after everything, this is the one I found. This is the one causing the problem. It's loose. And guess what? My coworker just did this one a couple of days ago. And yeah, this vehicle stalled while driving because of this. Yep. Sorry, customer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie that one. And I bet this vehicle will start. Cool.